Continuing on with the daily progress report, Module 2, we're jumping right into the to-do list. Creating a to-do list is the most important time management tool that you will ever be able to use. It's incredibly simple, but there's some things that we have to understand about using a to-do list properly. First thing is that we have to understand the importance of time. Time is our most valuable currency. It is a limited resource, but time is life. If we truly only have 24 hours in a day, how we spend those 24 hours become the life that we experience. What that really means is that the things that you put on your to-do list become the life that you experience. So there are two pieces to this. Most people in the past that we've been working with have just grabbed a random sheet of paper and have written down tasks that they think need to go on their to-do list. Those tasks might include paying a utility bill, or picking up groceries, putting gas in your car, cleaning off a desk. You may need to prepare for a staff meeting that you have coming up, or washing the laundry so your son's soccer uniform will be clean. Often we put on our to-do list that we need to finish a project, or maybe we have a tennis lesson, or that we don't want to forget that we need to schedule a dentist checkup. As you look at this specific to-do list, there are a couple of things that I would ask. One, does this to-do list actually move you forward toward your goals, or is this actually a don't forget to-do list? This, in my mind, is not the type of to-do list that can move you forward. The 7-Minute Life Daily Progress Report has an entire section that is for creating your to-do list. So you will set a timer for 7 minutes, and rather than randomly writing things down on a sheet of paper, you're actually going to think, clarify, plan, prioritize, and choose what you will let into your day. If there are 24 hours in the day, everything that you let into your life automatically knocks something else out. Let me say that again. Every task that you focus on accomplishing each day is automatically knocking something else out. Taking your 7 minutes to decide what you will let into your life actually becomes the life that you experience. The to-do list in our mind is the life that you experience. So you want to take that time to truly create a to-do list that matters. And then at the end of the day, to be able to say, did I do what I said I would do today? The big takeaway from this module is the power of the check mark, the importance of a to-do list, and being able to get things accomplished and mark them off your list. At the end of the day, it's not about getting 15 or 20 things done. If you remember, our goal is the 5 before 11 list. If you can accomplish just a few important things, at the end of the day, you will have gotten to enough. And when you ask yourself the question, did I do what I said I would do today? The answer can be yes.